Let's use this carrot as a meat alternative for a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. To create the slices, I'm going to use this vegetable peeler. I'll take the peeler and go straight down the long way on the carrot stick to create a bacon-like slice. And here are those slices that I've already shaved. They look a lot like bacon slices. If you look at the color variation, it puts you in the mind of a slice of bacon. After you have all of your carrot slices, you begin to make your marinade, which I got from Tabitha Brown, using liquid smoke, maple syrup. As you can see, I'm not using a whole lot of each ingredient because this is my first time making it and I just want to kind of taste it out to see how I can modify it. I'm adding my onion powder, and next I'll be adding my garlic powder. Now, this next ingredient did not come from Tabitha Brown. I decided to add a little olive oil to the marinade so that it can give me a thinner consistency. Next is the smoked paprika. And after that, I'm going to stir all the ingredients until everything is mixed well. Now I'm going to take the carrots and just kind of braise over both sides of each slice of the carrots just to make sure each slice is covered with the marinade. After doing so, I let the marinade stay on the carrot for about 30 minutes while I started to prepare the other things to go on the sandwich. I think this is going to be a great meat alternative for pescatarians and vegetarians. Next, we're going to take this Roma tomato and slice it thinly. And for my lettuce, I like to leave it in whole leaves. So I'm going to take one leaf of lettuce to wash and dry. So now my carrots are all ready for the air fryer. I place each slice of the carrot onto the air fryer as I would do bacon. Okay, looks good. I'm going to pop those right in the air fryer for about 5 minutes on 400. Now that I have the carrots in the air fryer and cooking, I'm going to take my bread, pop that in the toaster, and get it ready for my Hellmann's mayonnaise. And of course, I'm going to cook that until it's golden brown. And now I'm going to use my butter spreader to take the mayo to spread evenly across the bread. Now my carrots, aka bacon, is all done. I'm going to add that to the toast. And the good thing about this, y'all, we don't have to feel bad about how many slices we use. I'm going to add my lettuce, tomato, and my second slice of bread. And here you are, a bacon, lettuce, tomato, pescatarian, vegetarian style with a meat alternative of a carrot made with the recipe from Tabitha Brown in addition to the olive oil. And here you are. It looks so good. How did I do, Tabitha? Now let's go in for the taste test. Okay, let's give this carrot, bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich a try. It does put me in the mind of a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. I don't get carrot at all. The liquid smoke helps to give the flavor of the bacon. Would I try this again? Yes.